Guys, no time for introduction. We have found ourselves a dragon. Like, too many things just happened in that video. Like, we're like, you know, let's just do some mining, get the boring things. Everything just happened. Like, legit, so much. I found silver. We realized that, hey, we should actually hit slower, because that's how 1.0 works. And now, here we are, with a dragon. Oh my gosh. Look at that! We didn't even get a bow yet! Oh my. And apparently we're supposed to get griefed by fish, but you know what? Yeah, like, really? Really? This is a fight? Screw you, zombie! I know how to fight you now. He's gotta stay in one place. And hit. There we go. Now, Spidey, I will kill you. It's a spider. I need one. Just one. Not string. Frick you, creeper. I'm going. Frick off, creepers. Oh my gosh, there's two of them. Panic mode activated. Oh gosh, too many mobs, too much lag. Help! Okay, everything just froze. Okay. Wolfie Shorts was just turned to KFC. Who doesn't love KFC, am I right, boys? I can't believe it. Some person's gotta just go to KFC, say, hey, can I have a Wolfie Shorts? And then they're just gonna eat it. What are you doing? Okay, she's doing something as I'll go get my pants on. There we go. Alright, we're ready. I'm laggy. Guys, with me or not driving? Yeah. This is like, it's a read chat for a bit. Okay, I need to get more stuff from my cave. Yes, I have some shenanigans that we need to bring out. Shenanigans, go! Oh gosh, lag spike, help! No, we don't need your lag. Okay, trying to make some armor. Okay, boom. You already got pants, so we need boots. And after that, we need helmet. And that's it. Now, for the final part, we need this. I would say bow, but you know what? None of us have enough string for it yet. Frickin' one more string, and I would have said bow. And until then, we go now. Oh, you gave her some iron. That's mighty nice of you. All right, let's go, peoples. To the dragon. Oh, stop lag, please. Okay, making staircase. Making staircase. Oh wait, we don't need it. Ouch. Stop with this lag. Okay, the game listened. Oh, no it did. Okay, now my boys, we slay this dragon. Where the frick is this dragon, by the way? Unstoppable. Okay, what is going on in this chat of yours, guys? I am just going for a dragon. We're probably gonna die 50 times because we only have iron armor and a sword. But what we don't have in armor and things, we have in numbers. And why do you have two swords? Wolfie, we don't need that, mate. We just need one. Wait, you know what? Alright, boys. Yeah, we don't really need this. It just makes you look cool. Go! your twin katanas. Oh! Okay, this is very uncomfortable. Alright. Dragon must be somewhere. Follow the fire! Follow the fire, boys! Follow it! And then we'll find ourselves the dragon. Maybe even the griffin. That we also found out video. I thought it was a dragon. But you know what? She found it! I wonder if she even got hit on the fire dragon. These fire dragons be powerful, man. These fire dragons be powerful. These. She found it too. Why am I the only one missing out on this action? Why do I always get the lame content? And let me guess. Right as I end the recording, we're gonna find a level 5 dragon, and when I start recording, it's gonna fly away. I bet that's gonna happen because I have worst content in the videos, man. That's why I play like games like Smash, where it's a 1v1, no team allowed. Alright, dragon. I see lots of fire in it. Oh, found it, boys! Oh, come on, lag. We're got to kill a dragon. Well, I was just turned to KFC. Well, we all got hit on dragon. That is a pretty successful video. GG, guys. We're out.